Welcome to AI Tools, your survival kit. Today's journey takes us into the skies as we explore AI's role in air combat. Focusing on the F-16 fighter jet, fasten your seatbelts and let's take off. The F-16, a symbol of aerial prowess, now enhanced by AI. From the cockpit to the sky, AI is revolutionizing flight. The blend of human skill and machine intelligence is creating a new era in aviation. A look back at history reveals the evolution of flight and early unmanned aerial targets. The seeds of AI were sown decades ago, leading to the sophisticated systems we see today. The journey has been remarkable. Today, AI controls drones like the MQ-9 Reaper, executing complex missions with precision. The fusion of technology and warfare is not just a concept. It's a reality that's transforming military strategies. Human pilots and AI algorithms work in tandem, processing vast amounts of data, making split-second decisions. A new era unfolds as we witness the seamless integration of man and machine in the cockpit. In simulated dogfights, AI's precision and reaction time outshine human pilots. The future of air combat is here, and it's thrilling. The potential for AI to enhance our capabilities is truly limitless. AI's capabilities extend beyond simulations, adapting to real-world scenarios, showcasing agility and intelligence. The technology is maturing, and its application in air combat is becoming more refined and effective. Futuristic visions of AI-controlled F-16s reveal advanced capabilities, thrust vectoring, and aggressive maneuvers. These concepts are no longer confined to science fiction. They're becoming tangible realities. Real-world challenges test AI's mettle. How does it respond to unexpected actions? How does it adapt? The answers lie ahead. And the exploration of these questions is shaping the future of aerial warfare. Collaboration is key. Human pilots and AI-driven wingmen create a formidable team, redefining aerial strategies. The synergy between human intuition and AI's computational power is a game-changer. Inside the F-35's cockpit, automation aids human decision-making. Voice commands and AI work in perfect harmony, enhancing the pilot's capabilities and creating a more responsive and intuitive flight experience. From air combat to space warfare, AI's role in military aviation is expanding, shaping the future of defense. The technology is evolving, and its impact on national security and global stability is profound. Ethical considerations arise with AI's power. How will AI be governed in warfare? International debates seek to find common ground, balancing technological advancement with moral and legal responsibilities. Research and innovation drive AI's growth in defense. Scientists, engineers, and military experts collaborate, forging new paths. The intersection of academia, industry, and defense is creating exciting opportunities. Globally, AI's impact resonates. Nations adopt AI in defense, fostering international collaborations and alliances. The global landscape is shifting, and AI is at the forefront of this transformation. Economic growth, job creation, market trends. AI's influence on the defense industry is profound and far-reaching. It's not just about technology. It's about shaping economies and creating new opportunities. Education embraces AI. Training programs and courses prepare the next generation for an AI-driven defense landscape. From universities to military academies, the focus on AI is growing. Public opinion varies on AI's role in air combat. News, social media, and debates reflect diverse views. The conversation is dynamic, reflecting the complexity and potential of AI in our lives. Recapping our journey, we've explored AI's evolution, challenges, and future in air combat. From history to ethics, technology to public opinion. It's been a thrilling ride through a rapidly changing landscape. Looking ahead, AI's potential extends to peacekeeping, disaster response, and humanitarian missions. A hopeful future awaits as we leverage AI for the greater good beyond the battlefield. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI in air combat. Your thoughts, engagement, and curiosity fuel our journey. Together, we're discovering the future, one flight at a time. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this flight into the world of AI, like, share, and subscribe to AI Tools, your survival kit. Until next time, keep innovating, stay curious, and keep reaching for the skies.